Good afternoon, Year 4, and welcome to your computing lesson of the 27th of January 2021. So today you're going to add a character and speech bubbles to your Scratch animation. So I'm just going to head over to Scratch now to my animation to show you how it's done. So as you can see, I've already logged into the Year 4 account on Scratch. And you can see I've already started to add another character to my Scratch animation. So I'm going to tell you how I did that. So first of all, let's go through what we did last week. We added motions to move our character across the screen using the orange when clicked the green flag and the blue to show where you want your character to move to. So when I click on the green flag, I'm not going to do it now because I want you to wait and see what happens when I do it all together. The fish here will move over to the top of the rock. Okay, then what I've done, I've clicked on the fox and chosen another sprite, and I chose a starfish. And you can see here that both of your characters appear at the bottom of the screen. So the same as I did with the fish, I clicked on the starfish and I wanted the starfish to move to this point down here when the green flag was clicked. So what happened so far is when I clicked the green flag, both of my characters moved together to a point where they can talk. Then what I've added, if we go back to the fish, is a 5-second delay. And what that means is it's a 5-second delay for both characters to move. And then I've added a dialogue box saying, "Who are you?" So that will mean that for 2 seconds, the fish will say, "Who are you?" to the starfish. But you then need to add another wait option, which is over here on the controls at the top, so that the starfish has enough time to respond. So then we go back over to the starfish, and you can see after the starfish has moved, which is the blue control, he's waited 12 seconds because he needs to wait for the fish to ask his question. And then the starfish replies saying, "Sid the starfish, who are you?" And he says that for 2 seconds. So it took a little bit of time to play around with the wait option to make sure that the characters are in time and not overlapping. But hopefully when I press the green flag now, both characters have moved. It's now going through the wait 5 seconds. The fish says, "Who are you?" for 2 seconds. The starfish is now in the 12-second wait, and he then adds his speech bubble as well. So that is what I would like you to do. I would like you to add another character and try and add a dialogue to your animation, and we will continue the story of our animation next week where we can add some sounds. I hope that makes sense. Please email us on the Year 4 at Palmer Academy email address. There isn't an assignment on Teams for this lesson, but please make sure you save your project into the Scratch profile. Enjoy the rest of your home learning, and we will speak soon.